Ever notice how some people pull their boat out after winter, turn the key, and the engine starts like nothing ever happened? Meanwhile, others spend the first sunny weekend dealing with fuel problems, corrosion, or a motor that won't even start. The secret isn't luck, it's proper winterizing. The best part is you don't need to be a mechanic to do it. You just have to follow a simple maintenance workflow, and your outboard will be in much better shape when boating season rolls around again. Start by giving the motor a good flush. If you've been boating in salt water, this step is especially important because salt can slowly corrode the cooling system from the inside. Connect a garden hose to the flushing port if your engine has one, or use flushing muffs over the water intakes. Let fresh water run through the engine for several minutes to wash out any salt, sand, or debris. When you're finished, turn the engine off and leave it in the normal upright position. Modern outboard motors are designed to drain naturally, so any remaining water can flow out on its own. Next, take care of the fuel. Gasoline doesn't stay fresh forever, especially if it contains ethanol. As it sits, it can break down and leave sticky deposits that clog injectors, carburetors, and fuel lines. Before your last run of the season, add a quality fuel stabilizer to the fuel tank. Then run the engine for about 10 to 15 minutes so the treated fuel reaches the entire fuel system. It's a quick step that can save you a lot of frustration when you're ready to get back on the water. Now it's time to protect the inside of the engine. If you have an older carbureted two-stroke outboard, fogging oil is usually recommended. It coats the internal engine parts with a protective film that helps prevent rust during storage. If you own a newer, fuel-injected four-stroke, the process may be completely different, and many modern engines don't require traditional fogging at all. That's why it's always best to check your owner's manual before doing this step. While you're working on the engine, check the oil if you have a four-stroke outboard. If it's due for a change, do it before storing the boat. Fresh oil protects the engine much better than dirty oil that's been sitting all winter with moisture and contaminants inside it. Next, change the lower unit, or gear case oil. This lubricant protects the gears inside the lower unit, but it's also a great way to spot problems early. As the old oil drains out, take a close look at its color. If it looks dark or amber, that's perfectly normal. But if it looks milky or creamy, water has likely gotten inside through a worn seal. Catching that before winter can help prevent expensive repairs later. While you're already down there, remove the propeller and inspect it carefully. Fishing line often gets wrapped tightly around the prop shaft without anyone noticing. Over time, that line can damage seals and allow water into the gear case. Clean away any debris, check the prop for damage, and reinstall it before storage. This is also a great time to grease the motor's lubrication points. Steering components, pivot points, and swivel brackets all benefit from fresh marine grease. It helps prevent corrosion and keeps everything moving smoothly when it's time to hit the water again. Take a quick look at the sacrificial anodes as well. These small metal pieces are designed to corrode instead of your engine. If they're badly worn, replace them before next season so they can continue protecting the motor. If your outboard has a fuel water separator or water separating fuel filter, inspect it before storage. If it's due for replacement or contains water, change it now instead of waiting until spring. Now let's talk about the battery. If your boat is going into storage for several months, disconnect the battery and keep it in a cool, dry place. Better yet, connect it to a smart battery maintainer. That keeps it charged without overcharging, so it's much more likely to be ready when boating season starts again. Before putting everything away, give the engine one final inspection. Look for cracked fuel hoses, loose bolts, worn wiring, or anything else that looks out of place. Winter is the perfect time to fix small issues before they become bigger ones. Finally, think about storage. Keep the outboard in its normal upright position whenever possible so any remaining water can drain naturally. If the boat stays outdoors, use a Yaozu breathable engine cover to keep dust and dirt off while allowing moisture to escape. Avoid wrapping the engine tightly in plastic since trapped moisture can actually lead to corrosion. Winterizing an outboard motor isn't difficult, but it can make a huge difference. Flush the cooling system, stabilize the fuel, service the oil and gear case, grease the moving parts, inspect the propeller and anodes, care for the battery, and store everything properly. A little effort before winter means less time dealing with repairs and a lot more time enjoying the water when warm weather finally returns.